So here's my thought on Walmart. So Walmart is where people will, wind up going to get their staples. Walmart does well all the time. They've been around, they give dividends, they give earnings. This is some symbols that I want to have in my portfolio. So Walmart got kind of kicked in the teeth. I'm saying that I want to look for a bottom. So I don't want to do this, what I'm going to be talking about today, until I find a bottom. So, I like my fast MACD indicators. I've been turned on lately again by the RSI. So, whatever it is that you use to determine a bottom, and I want my bottom to happen above $85. So, once I detect my bottom, and I want to be sure. So, what if you have some different ways of determining a bottom, and some of them, require more planets to be aligned? Use the more conservative approach. I really want to be sure about this bottom. But once I detect that bottom and it's above 85 bucks, and I don't care where, it could be 90, it could be 87.50. I want to do some buying. Now, I could buy Walmart stock itself, or there is a substitute option. If I come over here to my options lookup tool, I was looking up Walmart. And so, what I like to do when I'm looking for option substitutes is I like to go on, I like to look at all the strike prices, and I like to look at price components. It makes the job really easy. I go out at least about 8 months. So I'm looking at the September option expiration. And if I'm talking about buying the stock, I'm going to be looking in the call column. And I basically want to find that extrinsic value percentage to be about 5% or less. But I also want to look at the bid and the ask spread and make sure it's not too far apart. If it's not too far apart, it's not, if it is too far apart, it means that nobody's trading it. If you can imagine going into a marketplace and having nobody to buy or sell from, that's what that means. But what I found is the Walmart September $65 call. So if I don't want to be spending, the $97, $96, or whatever it is, this is currently, or as of the end of day yesterday, it's trading at $33. So it's about a third of the price. So either one, whether I buy Walmart stock and set myself up to collect those quarterly dividends, or whether I buy this substitute option at a little bit of a discount, I want to get into that Walmart trade. And once I'm in it, I then want to look for opportunities to possibly sell premium. So if the price appreciates a little bit, finds a top, then I'm going to go ahead and put my collar on it. And I want to just milk this trade like you were discussing earlier with the option strategies. I want to just keep collecting those premiums, keep rolling out of those protective options, and really make Walmart my biatch.